In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a very simple invoice for your business using Canva. So let's jump into it. Now, if you need an invoice for your business, come to canva.com and create a free account. Once you've done that, we can head over to templates, and Canva have thousands of invoice templates that we can use to create an invoice for our own business. So go to search and then just type in invoice, and you can then just search for invoice. Now you'll notice there are thousands. Here you can see obviously 6,000 as of recording this video. You want to choose a template that you can customize easily, a simple one. Just note that any templates that have that crown here that you can see on these two, those require a paid Canva subscription. So for the video, I'm just going to choose a very simple free one. So we'll go with this one here. We can then click on that, and it's going to show us more invoices like that template. If you want to use this template though, just click customize this template. It will then redirect us to the Canva designer. And once you're in here, you can change the text needed. You don't really need to have many design skills. You can just simply change the text. So the first thing that I would tell you here, this slider is going to zoom in and out of your invoice. So that's great, right? Anything that you see on this page can be edited. So if you don't want this logo, or if you want to replace it with your own, you can just click on it, and you can then click on the delete button on your keyboard or the trash can icon here. Same with this here, I'm going to remove it. Now let's say here, this is invoice number 1. We want to click on this text box and remove this text, and we'll just put here 01. We can then change who it's sent to and the date as well. And this is just a standard text editor. You can click on the text and you can edit it. Here you've got all of these different items here inside of the invoice. Let's say we only wanted one line, and we could delete these by clicking on them, then clicking the trash can icon or delete on the keyboard. If you want to delete them all at once, hold down Shift on your keyboard and then just click through them, and you will then be able to highlight everything that you don't want. So let's do that. And what we're going to do is we're going to delete all of it at once by clicking the trash can icon. Okay, so maybe you don't want tax, we'll delete that. And really it's just a case of adding your services here. So let me just put management, and then you can put the quantity. So that will be 1. The price, let's say we're working in pounds, so that's £250. And then we'll change this one as well. Be precise with your invoices, but you can change everything. And you can also change the font of the text as well if you click on it. But I wouldn't get too crazy into customizing your invoices. Delete what you don't need, add your own payment info. And then once you have an invoice that you can then send to a company or you can send to a client, go share in the top right hand corner, then download. And I would download it here as a PDF, then click download. And then once you have this downloaded, you can then use this to send to your client. So if we click on it, here is what it looks like. So it looks great. That's how you do it. I hope that video helped you out.